In today's episode, we're continuing on decorating for Christmas. So if you're interested in seeing what came out today, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. And today I have my niece helping me get my breakfast area ready for Christmas. So if you're wanting to see what all I do this time, then you know what to do. Stick around. Oh yes, and we are doing a snowman theme. Yes ma'am. Now here is my table. I'm really loving it. I have my snowman pillowcases or pillow covers. They were purchased a few years back on Amazon. And then I have the snowflake wine glass and the blue wine glass. You know they're Dollar Tree favorites. And then this snowflake runner, I picked this up a few years back on eBay, I believe. And then I have the snowman napkin rings, Mr. and Mrs. They were purchased on eBay. And then what started it was the salt and pepper shakers. I found those at Goodwill. Now the plates, as you see I have the Mr. Snowman napkin ring. The blue plates, the larger plates, they came from the Dollar Tree. And then the little saucers inside, I bought those at Big Lots a few years back. And of course, you know your girl had to put a touch of copper somewhere on this table. Now the napkins, they came from, I think it was, you know you're old when you can't remember the name of a store. I'll come back and I'll remember what it is. But I got the blue candles, they were given to me, and the candle holders, they were thrifted. And my favorite thing on this table is the Mr. and Mrs. and the Sun cookie jar. Those are gorgeous. I love that cookie jar. It is the perfect thing. This is how my placemats are set. These placemats here came from, God, why can't I think of the name of this store? And no, I got those off of eFavor Mart. And then the white snowflake came from Walmart. They were $3.99. And then the blue stemless glass and the snowflake glass, you know, they came from the Dollar Tree, as I said earlier. But there's nothing, the only thing on this table that is new are the white snowflakes under the plates. Everything else was in my stash. And I really like doing the snowflake thing. I love it. So let me know what you think down below of this tablescape. And I will catch you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you'll be blessed.